Hi, Anne here. I'm back for another video about nuclear energy. Let's talk about outages. No, not power outages, nuclear refueling outages. In the spring and fall, when energy demand is lower, our plants temporarily shut down for refueling and maintenance. So what happens during one of these outages? Workers replace used fuel, typically about a third of what's in the reactor. They also conduct inspections, perform maintenance, and replace equipment, making our plants even more efficient. In 2018, our nuclear fleet will have a record 8 refueling outages. But don't worry, they're carefully planned so you'll have the power you need. Plus, briefly shutting down only every 18 to 24 months means nuclear plants are America's most reliable source of clean electricity.